Do you remember 2016 felt like a lifetime ago, while 2020 feels just like yesterday? It is because years passed by, months passed by, days passed by, and time just doesn't feel real anymore. It is because your brain might have changed the way it experiences things. For example, before COVID 2020, it had structure, schools, colleges, job, festivals, and friends. And what happened is your brain actually forms memories based on checkpoints and not on clock, not via time. It forms memories via checkpoints. Like if you attend a function, or if you attend your friend's birthday party, or if you attend some wedding, or you celebrate one festival, it actually memorizes it, and you can actually remember those events, and it doesn't work on repeated patterns. But what COVID eventually did is it moved everything online at that time. So schools online, colleges online, friends online, video calls, and then even jobs work from home. So when you repeat such patterns, all of a sudden your brain is not able to make any memories because you are not going out or stepping outside. So that is the main problem why you don't remember the past few years. And your brain in childhood was different from your brain in adulthood. I'll tell you why. In childhood, everything was new. New experiences, like even going to a mall, even going to a carnival, even going to uh, new places. Everything was new. So your brain actually formed new memories, and time just slowed down. And you were even much more happier than when you were an adult. So that is how time works. Everything was new. But when you grow up as an adult, everything feels repeated. You go to job in the morning, you come back in the evening, and then you sleep at the night, and you repeat the pattern. So that is how it affects. And even social media, the biggest impact is social media, because shorts, reels, even doom scrolling, you just scroll and scroll and scroll, and you just don't remember the last reel that you have liked or seen. Okay, that, and even notifications, these doom scrolling, what it does is it gives hundreds of dopamine to your brain within seconds, and your brain is not used to such amount of dopamine in a short time. So that causes overstimulation in you. And as a kid, when you sat for 10 minutes waiting for something, waiting for a TV show, 10 minutes just felt painful. But right now, to reduce your boredom, what you do is you just open your phone and doom scroll, and your boredom just disappeared. But brain cannot process such amount of stimulation in short time. So that's why you don't remember all those years. And what adulthood gives us eventually is stress. Okay, so financial stress, relationship stress, and all career stress and everything else. So what this stress does is you lose motivation, you lose social skills, and you lose the ability to form new memories. And even adulthood eats up time. In childhood, 1 year, your childhood was 10% of your memories. But right now, as an adult, 1 year of your adult life is 4% of your life. So it gradually decreased. And then most of the people in graduation, like people who have graduated at that time, most of them lost those memories. Nobody had a proper graduation. Nobody had proper teenage years. Everything lost to COVID. In that time, they had to experience all those memories, but everything was skipped. It's actually problematic for Gen Z as a generation more than millennials. Gen Z was hit with the hardest job market, wars going on, and then COVID and all those things. So also, I felt that we are not living as a generation, we are consuming. So too much to process, and we are like distributed in so many things, and we wonder, like we have so many tasks to do in a day, and it's all repeated day by day, and then we wonder where did all the time go. So generally these are all the things that affected our memories over time, and we now feel as a generation that we are overstimulated, overpressured, and over competitive, overhyped, and we just don't feel alive anymore. So I would say that we can actually bring some change. We can actually alter these things by being more present, like offline more than online. So whenever you go to a restaurant, just if you're having a conversation with your friend, switch off your phone or turn down the notifications and just go out and enjoy things, engage in festivals, engage with family, engage in travel and all that, so that time slows down and you form new memories. This is the only solution I can know of. This is how it works. Otherwise, you will lose more years, because in the 90s and all, this was not a thing, actually, phones and all. So people were always out enjoying and all, but that generation is gone. So it is up to you. It is your choice that you make the change as a generation. So that's all I wanted to say. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. I have so many shorts too. Like, I made so many shorts. You can watch that also. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.